any scholarship in this 2025/2026 academic section, there is a great opportunity still waiting for you, because this scholarship we're about to talk in this video is actually ending on the 2nd of December. So if you haven't applied for any scholarship, this is a wonderful opportunity, because this scholarship is actually comprises of all kinds of course. Any course of study you want to apply for, this scholarship is meant for you. The scholarship we're actually talking about is the PBEEE Canadian Merit Scholarship for international students. Let's go ahead and know what this scholarship entails. This scholarship is one of the prestigious scholarship opportunities available for international students and researchers who wish to study in Canada. So if you're an international student, this is a wonderful scholarship for you to grab, because the award value of this scholarship is $35,000 per year, and this scholarship supports students financially while they focus on their studies or research. So if you want to start your master's degree, doctorate program, postdoctorate research, or a short-term research project, this scholarship is meant for you. Who can apply for this particular scholarship? To be considered for this scholarship, you must meet the following requirements. One is that you must be an international student. Secondly, you cannot be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident of Canada. Immigration status. You must not have applied for permanent residency under Canadian immigration law. You must have an academic recommendation, and you must be recommended by a professor or a research supervisor at the institution you are applying to. This scholarship, before you apply to it, a professor from the University of Canada must recommend you for your research program before you apply for this particular scholarship. Program of study, you must be applying for a graduate level program, that's master's, PhD, or postdoctorate studies in one of the participating university in Canada. The value for this particular scholarship for master's degree is $20,000 per year, and the duration for the scholarship is for 2 years. Then for doctorate degree, that's the PhD, is $25,000 per year, and the duration is 3 years. For the postdoctoral research is $35,000 per year, and is minimum of a year. The short-term research program is $3,000 per year, and is minimum of 4 months. So the funding that is applicable for this particular, what this particular scholarship covers, it covers your tuition fee, your living expenses, your research costs, everything you want in this scholarship, it will be actually given to you. The host country for this scholarship is Canada, and all countries are eligible to apply for this scholarship. The deadline for this scholarship, like we said before, is 2nd of December. So if you have not applied for any scholarship, this is a great opportunity for you to apply. Why should you apply for this scholarship? If you don't have money to sponsor yourself as an international student, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab and apply for in this 2025/2026 academic section. For you to be selected in this scholarship, the supervisor you select must recommend you, or the professor you selected must recommend you for you to get this scholarship. So if you have gone through the scholarship application, what the requirements and everything it entails, and you are comfortable with it, you can go ahead and click on this particular link here, which will be posted on the description button, for you to apply for this particular scholarship. You can apply for the program that you want in this particular scholarship. Like I said before, you have to read the duration of the scholarship. The duration for the master's is 2 years, for the postgraduate is 3 years. So as an international student, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab. Make sure you apply for this particular scholarship before the 2nd of December, which is this year. This is a great opportunity for you to grab. So if you have gone through all the requirements and you are comfortable with it, just go ahead and click on apply to this program and apply for the scholarship, because this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab this 2025 to 2026 academic session. If you are comfortable with this kind of content and you like this kind of information that we share in this particular YouTube channel, all you need to do is for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this content so that you will not miss our update tomorrow, because in these YouTube channels I give updates to scholarship, give update to jobs as an international student, and we also give update to tech skills you can learn as an international student. If you work with us very well, we'll link you to companies that need workers to work for them as an international student. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like this channel. Thank you and see you in my next video.